What's going on, everybody? It's Tate, back with another tutorial. Today I will be doing a basic tutorial in Premiere Rush. This is a free video editing software for mobile and PC. The only difference between the two is that the mobile version allows for unlimited free exports. Enough talk, let's get into it. So first thing, importing files into Premiere Rush. As you can see, you can create a new project. I don't have any projects currently going, or you can hit this little plus down here. You can see you can add media. So from here, you can use anything you have in your camera roll, anything you have saved in your files, or the Creative Cloud if you use that. I have a video in my files that I'm going to use. Here we go. So you just click on all the files you need and it'll put them all into your timeline. So I'm just going to name this, click create. I'm going to put that into your timeline. So this is what it looks like inside Premiere Rush. Pretty much the same as iMovie. It has a little more features, which is good. First thing you want to do is click this button down at the bottom, third from the left. It's just easier to navigate. If you want to zoom in on the clip, pinch in on your screen and it will zoom in for you. And the same with zooming out. The first thing I'm going to show is how to separate a clip into multiple clips. So just go to any part of the clip that you want it to stop, and then scroll over on this bottom bar here, click the scissors. So make sure you have your clip selected, and that will make a cut there. Do that again. That'll make 3 separate clips. And then if you want to delete one, just hit this little trash can button at the bottom. So that'll go away. Now we just have these 2. And so say you want to kind of reduce the length of the clip, just go over here and click and hold on the left side of the clip, and it should just let you kind of drag it in and out. So reduce it to however long you want it. You can also go down here to transform. This will just move the clip, not really trim it, but it will move it on the screen where it actually plays. So if you have like a small graphic or something, you can move that around. I can actually show how that works. So just click on graphic down there, add graphic. There's a lot of things within the app itself. There's titles, preset titles, transitions. I'm just going to click on more overlays. This one looks good. So click on add in the bottom right. But I'll put a little graphic in this timeline up here. You can edit that down here. Click the little keyboard. Just going to put, so as Joelness comes up. So I want to move this, put it in position. So just click and hold it and drag it wherever you want it. If you want to extend it, make it a little longer, do the same thing, click and hold. Get that where you want it. That should be good there. So if you want to move this, any graphic title on the screen, just make sure you have that selected. Go back to transform. And then you can change the horizontal and vertical positions of it. So that's pretty much it for graphics. From here, if you want to look at your audio more closely, you can click on your clip. Scroll over to this the second button from the right. It'll drop down the audio so you can fine tune it if you need to edit the audio. This button next to the trash can and the scissors, it will actually duplicate whatever you have selected. So I have the graphic selected. If I push that, it'll make another one. So you can do that. I'm just gonna delete that. So that's an option for clips. If you want to have multiple graphics or something like that, you can just easily click that button. So that's pretty much it for the basics of Premiere Rush. We can export it now. Once you have your clip all completed, you can go up here in the top right, the middle button, little share button. Click that. Just leave the quality settings to automatic and then hit export. And this will put it straight into your camera roll. So you can do whatever you want with it from there. You can email it to yourself or AirDrop, anything like that. So that's the basics of Adobe Premiere Rush. It's pretty easy to use, and it's, in my opinion, more versatile than iMovie. So if you have a simple video you need to create on your phone, this is the app to use.